Property management maintenance just got easier with MagicDoor's AI. Imagine receiving a maintenance request and instead of sorting through the details, MagicDoor's AI takes over. It instantly summarizes the request, gives it an urgency score out of 100, and automatically creates a group chat between you, the tenant, and the vendor. Communication is seamless because all messages are directly sent as a text or an email. MagicDoor's AI pairs the tenant with the right vendor for the job, keeping everyone connected in one place so that scheduling and resolving the issue happens effortlessly. And our maintenance runbook starts troubleshooting immediately. When a tenant submits a request, our AI asks key questions, like when the issue started and where it's happening. It may even suggest a solution. You can even create your own custom runbooks. So when it's time for you or the vendor to step in, those questions are already answered. Let MagicDoor's AI handle the hassle of maintenance. Get a free demo today.